How to change from 5G to 4G. On iPhone today, I'm going to show you how to switch from 5G to 4G on your iPhone. If you're looking to save some battery or improve connection stability, switching to 4G might be the right move for you. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up your settings by tapping the gear icon on your iPhone. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down a bit and select Cellular. Now, in the Cellular menu, you'll see an option for Cellular Data Options. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll see the Voice and Data option. Tap on that, and this is where we're going to make the change. On the next screen, you'll likely see that 5G Auto is selected with a check mark next to it. To switch to 4G, simply tap on LTE instead. And just like that, your iPhone 15 is now using the 4G LTE network instead of 5G. I hope you found this helpful. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.